Clara and her family are watching this show, and it looks so interesting because the ballerinas and puppets are dancing on their own. Today, why don't we try to make our own puppets that can dance by themselves? Discover. Today's materials: a base, 2 puppet pieces, posts, connectors, and 1 rod, caps, link bar, pin, gears, base gears, a handle, and stickers. Let's make puppets that move up and down on their own. Ready? Okay, first, take these 2 pieces that look like puppets, and we're going to take the stickers and put them on those pieces. So take one off. One is a ballerino. Put it on the ballerino like this. And then the other one is a ballerina. A ballerino is a male or man ballerina, and a ballerina is a female. Okay, so now we have the 2 pieces. Lay these on the side. So let's take the handle piece, the pin, and this is the link bar. Take the pin, put it inside the hole, and then on the other side, connect it with the link bar. Push it together, and this is your handle, okay? Put this on the side like this. Now, take your ballerina pieces, and then we have 2 long pieces, 2 short pieces. These 2 connectors will go together like this, and we're going to put the ballerina and the ballerino into here. Can you see? And then take the shorter connector and put it in one more time, like this, and one more time like this. Okay, so we have 2 connectors, right? Very nice. Now, go into our tray, and we're going to get these 2 pieces here. These are the base gears. I'm going to put 1 base gear at the bottom and push, use your fingers to push it down. And then 1 more. Push it down. Okay, good to go. So connectors and the gears should look like this. I'm going to put that aside. Now, I'm going to take our base, and we have 2 long posts. Take the posts, put 1 in here, another one in here. So it looks like this, okay? Later, we will put these pieces on here. Okay, but first, I want to take this long, skinny rod. Take the rod, and you can do this. You can put the rod inside. Wait. Take the 2 pieces that look like this. These are the gears. Put the gears inside. There's 1, right? And then 1 more gear inside. That's 2. Put it back inside. Hold it. Take the other connector, or excuse me, take the post. Push it down. Put it through. And in. Okay. Now we take the connectors, put it down. These will go in here, okay? And then the top one will go on top. So right, 1 here, 1 there. Let's go together. 1 on this side, 1 on this side. The top one, push down. Okay? And that's what we have right there. Okay. Now, remember, this is the short side. Take 1 cap, push it inside. Okay. Now we have 1 more cap, wait, and a handle. The long side, we will put the handle on. Push, 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 push some more. Okay, there we go. See the end? Let's put the other cap at the end of the rod. Push it together. Take your hand and hold the bottom of the base and spin. And let's see what happens to the ballerina and ballerino. Look, they're dancing by themselves. Wow! Wow, this is really cool, right? So the rod is in the middle and it's pushing it up and down and allowing them to spin at the same time. The rod that works with the crank in a machine is called a crankshaft, and that's what we have right here to make the ballerina and ballerino dance up and down. A crank is a device that turns spinning motion into back and forth motion or the other way around. Trains use a crank to move the wheels by pushing and pulling a rod, just like in this picture. Think more. They move on their own. Have you ever seen something like this at an amusement park? Well, they have miniatures called music boxes or clocks, okay, cuckoo clocks. They move on their own because they have mechanisms inside like cranks. They're powered by wound up strings or springs just like this. And so they can move and make sounds and make music on their own.